वेलकम टू कार एंड बाइक गाइड। और आज हम आए परपड़गंज और हमारे सामने ये वर्चुस का बेस वेरिएंट खड़ा है सिल्वर कलर में, और जो बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है। और अगर आप इसका फ्रंट से लुक देखेंगे, वही वॉक्सवैगन का अंडरस्टेटेड डिज़ाइन विद नीट और क्लीन डिज़ाइन आप देख सकते हैं। और आपको जो फ़र्क लगेगा फ्रॉम द हाईलाइन और द टॉप लाइन, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे आपको जो मेन जो चेंज दिखेगा वो यहाँ पे दिखेगा। नीचे के जो फॉग लैम्प वाला जो एरिया है, ये पूरा प्लास्टिक मटेरियल दिया हुआ है, और यहाँ पे आपको फॉग लैम्प नहीं मिलते हैं। और आपको हाईलाइन और टॉप लाइन में आपको फॉग लैम्प्स मिल जाएंगे विद ग्लॉसी पियानो ब्लैक फिनिश के साथ। जो ये पैनल दिया हुआ है पूरा ग्लॉसी ब्लैक फिनिश में होता है, और यहाँ पे आपको प्लास्टिक मटेरियल में आपको मिल रहा है। और यहाँ पे आपको फ्रॉम द बेस वेरिएंट इटसेल्फ आपको LED हेडलैम्प्स मिल जाते हैं। डेट इज़ अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट विद LED DRLs। यहाँ पे आपको सिंगल बार क्रोम स्ट्रिप मिलती है ऑन द ग्रिल, एंड हेयर इज़ द न्यू लोगो VW, and you can see the design and the silhouette of this sedan is really good. And from the side you can see the fit and finish of this Virtus is very top notch. And here you can see the steel rim of 16 inches which is available with this Virtus, and the size of the tire is 205 by 55 R16. And here you can see the wing mirrors which is in body color, and you can also see the ORVM turn indicators as well. And here you can see the body color door handles, and you can see the sloping roof line towards the rear. That is really good. And the look and feel of this sedan is now more premium as compared to the predecessor, that is a Vento. And you can see the rear look of this sedan, that looks so amazing. And the tail light is given in the smoky finish, which is really good and looks sporty. And here is the boot of this sedan, that is 521 liters. That is the biggest in this segment, and it is a class leading boot space which is given by the VW. And you can see here the antenna which is available with the base variant, that is the normal one instead of the shark fin antenna. Shark fin antenna you can get in the highline as well as in the top line and the GT variant. And here is the rear defogger. Stop lamp is also given on the rear, that is really good. And here on the bumper you can see the parking sensors that is available. And now I can give you the experience of the interior of the base variant of this Virtus. Let's go inside. So guys, here is the look of the interior of the base variant of the Virtus. We can start from here. You can see the lock unlock button which is available on the door panel which is above, with the open or closing door of the Virtus. And here you can see the knob which is available for the left and right wing mirrors, that is for the adjustable, you can adjust them. And here are the controls of the windows. Power windows control are here. And you can see here you can get the height adjustable driver seat as well from the base variant itself. And now we are inside the Virtus base variant, that is so amazing. And you can see here is the look of the speedometer, that is old school dials, analog dials, and with the MID display. That is really good. And you can see this is the flat bottom steering wheel of the Virtus, and this is the manual variant. And this comes with the 6 gears and 1 reverse. And here is a 6.5 touchscreen infotainment system, and that is really good. And it comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Here you can see the manual AC controls which is provided with the sedan. And you can see here is the gear knob which is available. Here is a 12-volt charging socket. Here is a handbrake, and there is no center armrest which is provided. And no dashboard, that is a hard plastic which is available. and the fit and finish of the material, that is top notch, which is built to last. I'm at the rear seat of the Virtus, and you can see the front dashboard look from the behind. So here is an ample amount of leg space at the rear, and you can see the placement of the tweeter as well. So in this variant also you can get 4 speaker and 4 tweeters, and the sound is pretty amazing. And you can see the interior lamps at the rear which is available. Here is a grab handle which is provided, and overall the comfort level is really good. And you can see here are 3 adjustable headrests, and there is no rear center armrest as well, and there is no rear AC vents as well. So this is the base variant of the Virtus, and I guess which is value for money. And the size of the sedan is really good in terms of practicality, in terms of fit and finish, in terms of premiumness. It leads the segment, and Virtus is really good product which is about to launch by the Volkswagen. So guys, this is really good, and I'm going outside. So guys, here I have provided you the whole look of the Virtus base variant, which is value for money product, and the size which provided by the Volkswagen of this sedan, that is really large in its segment, and that is really good. And this is it guys. Expected price roughly around 12 to 13 lakhs on road roughly. So we are about to see what prices will be announced by the VW on the 9th of June. So till then, stay tuned guys. Thank you for watching the video. Keep loving, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give support to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family and relatives. Thank you so much. Cars and Bikes Guide. Thank you so much. Bye bye.